Hey, this is Scott Wilkerson with a brief tutorial on how to use the new TRL system inside of SLDS. So the first step is to get logged into your Infinite Campus account, and this is the way that we will access SLDS and the new TRL system. So after you get logged into your Infinite Campus account, you just come up here to the top and click on the SLDS link, and this will take you to your SLDS account, which will give you access to the new TRL system. So here you will see your schedule. This schedule has the current courses that you are teaching. This is where you want to start when you're planning it out. So you'll see the keys over here on the left hand side beside each one of your courses. So the first step here would be to go to the course that you're teaching that you would like to supplement and add resources to. Click on the key icon, and that takes you to where you can actually choose the CCGPS that you would like to teach for that lesson or for that unit. So you can click one CCGPS or multiple. After you choose the standards that you would like to teach, you choose load resources, and that will give you a list of available content. So you'll notice you have tabs across the top. For now, we're just going to look at these two tabs, the student tools and the teacher tools. Under the student tools tab, this is actually resources and content that you can send to your students, share with your students, to help them master the content. Eventually, these will be able to, you will have the ability to push this content to your students directly, but for now you can just share it with them either through email or in a shared Google Doc. And then the Teacher Tools tab, this is content for you as the teacher to use to supplement your unit. So this is content that is actually going to help you teach the CCGPS. So when you're looking at the student tools and the teacher tools, you'll notice that up here at the top you have a way to filter this content. You can search by grade, by subject, and you can even do an advanced search. So when you choose search by grade, you notice a drop down appears underneath. Click on that drop down to select the grade you're working with. Let's just say we want an 8th grade resource. You then have the ability to search by subject, and you can keep filtering this search out. Once you have your filter in place, click on Get Resources, and you now see a list of resources that match your filter. And you also have the ability to do an advanced search. In the advanced search, you have a drop down over here where you can actually choose the classification. You can choose different grades. You can actually choose a publisher or a host. So if there are lessons that you have seen that you really like from specific publishers or hosts, you can choose that here. You just have different options in the advanced search. And then you can choose, based on your criteria, you have other options where you can filter out your results. So after you've put your filter into place, you click on Get Resources, and the resources that are available that fit your criteria will show up. Once you've used these resources and you like them or don't like them, you have the ability to rate each of the resources over here on the right. So you can star them according to how well you like them or how well they worked with your students, and you can even write reviews, and you can see reviews on content that has already been used. Under the Teacher Tools tab it's the same thing. Same thing applies here. You can filter this content the same way you can filter the content under the Student Tools, and you can evaluate this content. You can rate them. You can write a review. You have the ability to do lots of stuff over here. So we've looked at these two tabs inside of the TRL, the Student Tools and the Teacher Tools. For now, that's it. That's the basic training, how to get started and how to use TRL. In the near future, though, we will be offering more advanced trainings through Adobe Connect, where you'll be able to actually log in. You'll be able to interact with us, ask us questions, and we'll go more in depth and have more advanced trainings for TRL. So I hope that helps you get started using TRL. Hope you enjoy it. Can't wait to hear your successes.